Hey,
Pulled pork! Pulled pork! Pulled pork! Pulled pork! Can you believe we're going to be eating our own slow-cooked pulled pork in only 5 more hours?
Good work. 5 hours?
Yep. Boop.
I'm off to Subway.
Don't wait. Try new slow-cooked Australian pulled pork with a smoky barbecue sauce. Only at Subway.